Basically, baby Avi's wearing her beach dress. No. Yeah, no. So basically, baby have on her beach dress. Yeah. Show them my bathing suit. Come show them my bathing suit. Lift it up. Her bathing suit. Her bathing suit has like Elton Honor on it, and it has like side opens, and it's a one-piece bathing suit. I want to make a diamond on the back. Let me see that. She want to show you guys this too. So see, back is open. What? What you want to tell them? Shouldn't they like as well? They're not supposed to like as well, baby? That's better. They should like and subscribe. Alice's sister is worried about our appearance actually. But anyway, this is her swimwear get up. With a short. She's wearing a short and a shorts and a wrap she's wearing. Because I'm in the house and I don't want to have my butt out in the house. Right. So she's wearing all black swimwear. That's it? Yes. So this is the food that I'm eating. Mashed potato. I wasn't hungry, but anyway, I'm eating mashed potato and fried fish. And I'm gonna show you what. If they eat off them food already, alright, they eat off them food already. Never mind, because I was gonna show you what they were eating. My sister is eating fish, rice, and but she already eats that, so it don't look pretty for the vlog. My family taking out their stuff. My family taking out their stuff.
When the woman don't just not skip nobody, we say fine and stop. So she wanted to skip them.
That's right. She wanted to skip.
So we tell her that it's not.
She don't say nothing in the argument because she had that long.
Yeah.
What interest you got me?
She gone up already. Go on up with her, no? See her there.
You can't go with that family.
Go on. I am today now. Stay better. Hey, mister. Alright, come. Mark you ready, come. Family behind me. Anyway, and we're trying to walk them, but we were playing in the water sprinkle part up like that. Anyway, and no, we're walking. Before I walk fast with the camera, run out. Long walking mile.
No, I'm not saying she have a plan to move every time she comes.
What? Zip lining.
Is that nice, man?
Them advanced man.
No wonder them have that now. No, you can't go on that. No wonder them have enhanced too much security in the hotel. Let's zip line and all kind of extra things.
Go on and change it. There's something in the water. Hi.
I don't know why. Let me see.
What's this thing?
Anyway, so we're walking on the beach.
Hey. Hey.
And oh, we already know where we're at anyway. We gotta see it.
You taste it out now. Now you know.
I don't know what the hype is about. The pastries in that pretty like when I was younger.
They look
Them
better
build
to me.
them build up, yes, but the beach sun are going. All kind of things.
Yeah, the water come too far. No, never this too far, remember.
Alright.
Alright, see where you are. We're not going further far. Yeah, mother. You can't vlog and sit down. Cool, man.
Water is cold. So that's the falls right there. Little sister's right there, baby Ari. I'm afraid of the water. Rochella Ari. Hi. Too crowded for me. Got the right pencil. The water all over. When I kick the water all over, I kick the water so. I shall go on the phone. Baby Ari kicking it.
That was the life-handed thing or whatever. You want me to say? What's up, man? You wearing it? Okay. Just then take it off. Yeah, keep something dry. Oh, your booby is showing though. Give me the top. I'm videoing you. Oh, your baby, that's it. Alright, go now. Touch the water first. Water. Look at Roseanne! Look at Roseanne! Let's try to see Roseanne. Hold on for them and go! Come tighter!
Rochelle and her kids. Even know that river.
Cool, yeah.
My family in the water. I run it. I don't want to run the fly shop like come back. You know, she see your best. Yeah, I do. I'm on some ears ring. Jump up. I'm not here. I'm going to come back. I'm going to put my man. Jump up and go back. So I'm standing in the water, guys. You want to make tackle? She don't want to go to make tackle. What one you want to make?
You know it's not going to 100 years to eat. What are they for? You never find it.
Us playing in the sand.
I'm up here sometimes, but I tell her like, sometimes she says she's cold, and she don't want to come market for one. Don't know no attitude. Don't know, man.
This thing I kill me what?
Oh, this is the stuff.
Oh, gotta kill it.
Another day at the beach.
At the beach. Why you cool?
I'm just going to stop with her, man, and I say.
No, I'm not too sure. I want to switch company.
But him say when I say she's cold enough, him say when I carry her out the
You
back.
want a blanket?
I come in the water to make it white out. He said that man just see me. He tell about a million times, no man, me alright, me alright.
Yeah, a blanket or something, no?
No man, she get one nice.
You know everybody have a bathroom.
Yeah.
Every single one, so I ain't every girl, everyone.
I wear a bathsuit. That's to be natural, you cannot stop. You have to stop and take the camera and smile. I am ready. Ari and Avy playing in the sand. Ari, you build sandcastle? You build sandcastle, Ari?
I want it.
Avy, you build sandcastle?
Okay, sandcastle. Come wash up, yeah?
Trying to do our final dip underneath the fall because my daddy's ready. My father's ready, so I can do a final dip underneath the fall. The fall. Final dip. Come ready. How far we have to?
Yeah, go check out.
No, time. Oh, you said touch it, I'm going to touch it. My time, I want to come up and go on and eat this. Hold it. Let me rub them again, so you don't care. Oh. Yeah, but I that video, I never know that video.
So I'm trying to do a video of my outfit. Anyway, so we're heading home now. It is home time. Walking down wasn't the problem. It's walking coming up to go home is the problem. Oh God. I enjoyed Dunsville with my family. It was really fun. But I'm tired. I'm the only person that's changed. I'm baby Avy kinda. Oh, I'm a father.
We are driving only on one good eye in a rest time, kill you at the like chicken fried. One good eye, we're not touching it, the man one.
So guys, we are home now and we're about to go inside our home. I didn't get to show you guys my outfit in Ocean because they were in a rush. Anyway. So this is my outfit. And it's the mesh top. Them tired body.